Hi, this is Jean d'Art, Joan of Arc here on the river Seine. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, let me teach you one important Ilonggo word. I am presently lost. I lost the instruction and I don't know my way around. I'm just headed towards the city center. So in Ilonggo, when you say you're lost, it means Nadula from the root word dula, which is also lost. And the the adjective to tell people that you're lost is Nadula. So Nadula, or just say dula. So dula ako, subong. Nadula was lost. Okay, presently lost, dula. So that's one thing to remember. If you're lost, you're Nadula. This is Joan of Arc, Jeanne d'Arc here in Paris, and I'm sure I'll find my way. Makita ko. Kita meaning I'll find, I'll see, and makita, we'll see. So we will see. Bye for now.